Greetings, thanks for joining me in beautiful Peru. I'm Phil, the digital nomad guitar teacher. We're going to break ear training down to its simplest but maybe most important form today. I'm going to hide my guitar, play some notes, and all you have to do is try and find these notes on your guitar, or really on any instrument. So, try this out. And think of this as the higher and lower game. You play any note, and the first thing you want to figure out is if you're too high or too low. Then you know which direction to go. I play this with all my private students, especially the kids. They seem to love it as well. And you will get better and better at this. So let's do this. Round one. Round two. Round three. Let me know if this is enough time. Let me know if this is easy or hard for you. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Round four. Also notice if the lower notes are harder. For some people they are. Round five. Round six. Round seven. If you can name these notes as well, that's serious bonus points. If you don't have your neck memorized, I've got the world's easiest way to do it on my channel. It's pretty much my most popular videos. Make sure to check that out. It's super easy. All right, next round. Next round. Next round. Make this a little harder. Maybe a little bit less time. Next round. Next round. Next round. It doesn't matter what string you find these notes on. It doesn't have to be the same one as me. Next round. And last round for today. All right, thanks so much, guys. There's a lot more of these coming on my channel. There's a few there already that might help you as well. Ear training is one of the most important things, and it doesn't have to be complicated. Have an amazing day. See you next time.